Zendesk versus Kayako. Which is the best help desk software? Let's take a closer look and help you decide which one fits your needs, as both have their strengths, but there are some key differences you should know before choosing. First up, Zendesk. It's one of the most well known help desk platforms, loved by large businesses due to its extensive features and scalability. Zendesk offers multi channel support with email, chat, social media integration, and more. But here's the catch: while it's feature packed, it can also feel a bit overwhelming for small teams or those looking for a simpler solution. The interface, though clean, can be a bit complex for new users, especially with its range of customization options. And of course, pricing. Zendesk's tiered pricing model can get expensive, especially if you're looking for advanced features, making it less ideal for smaller companies or startups. Next, Kayako. Kayako, on the other hand, offers a more streamlined experience, focusing on simplicity without sacrificing key features. Kayako's standout feature is its unified inbox, where all customer interactions, whether through email, chat, or social media, appear in one place. This helps agents manage conversations better. Kayako also offers easy-to-use automation and a focus on customer relationships, which can be a game changer. But the downside? While it has great tools for small to mid-sized businesses, it doesn't offer the same level of customization that Zendesk does. And for some businesses looking to scale quickly, Kayako's reporting and analytics might not be as robust as Zendesk's, leaving you with fewer insights into your operations. Now let's talk about integrations. Zendesk shines here with over 100 integrations across various apps and platforms. Whether it's CRM systems, e-commerce, or marketing tools, Zendesk can plug into just about anything. But while this is great for larger teams or businesses with complex workflows, it might feel like overkill for smaller teams who don't need all that functionality. Kayako, in comparison, has a more limited selection of integrations. While it offers some of the major tools, it's not as extensive as Zendesk. So if integrations are a top priority for you, Zendesk definitely takes the lead here. The next thing is customer support. Zendesk has a reputation for solid customer service, with 24/7 support, but some users report longer response times, especially at higher service levels. Kayako's support is generally well regarded too, and some users feel it's a bit more personal and accessible, especially at the entry-level tier. However, it's not as widely available around the clock, which could be a deal breaker for some businesses. When it comes to reporting and analytics, Zendesk definitely has the upper hand. With custom dashboards, real-time analytics, and detailed reports, Zendesk's tools are powerful. However, this also means you need to invest some time learning the system and customizing it to your needs. Kayako's reporting, while decent, lacks the depth of Zendesk's, which might leave you wanting more if you're running a larger operation. Finally, pricing. Zendesk offers a more tiered approach, which can be expensive as you scale up. You get a lot of features, but at a cost. Kayako, on the other hand, is more affordable for smaller teams, and while it may not have all the bells and whistles of Zendesk, it still provides the essential features needed for solid customer support. So, if you're looking for the best help desk software between Zendesk and Kayako, both have their merits. But after testing both myself and considering the growing needs of businesses looking for flexibility and integration power, there's a better alternative for those of you who want a simpler yet more powerful solution. If you want a better alternative for the goal of improving customer support, I recommend checking out the free trial available through the first link in the description. You'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers, giving you the perfect opportunity to experience something tailored to your business needs.